Coming up in today's new video, we take a look at a one-of-a-kind company that's using blockchain technology to redefine the world of digital advertising forever. All that and more coming up next. Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to Third World Crypto, your home of all things within the cryptoverse. As always, my name's Ubaid. If you are new here, do yourself a favor, Hulk smash that subscribe button and let's get this party started. But before we do, I just want to give a massive shout out to all my Omi homies out there. Thank you for all your support on the last video. It was really amazing. You guys are some of my first subscribers, so I can't really call you homies. You're more like,
I got family.
And don't worry, I have plenty more Omi content on the way. I hear you guys.
Please sir, I want some more.
But until then, sit tight and let's get this party started. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice. In the age of content creation, where all we ever do is bury our heads in our smartphones, televisions, and a bowl of ramen, one thing remains consistent: advertising, and the need for big brands to force it upon us wherever we look. And for the most part, we've kind of gotten used to it. But along with it has come a new source of irritation: bots, which we've all fallen victim to at one point or another. Yes, I'm talking about you, Stacy, who lives 5 miles from my house and wants to meet up. So if you've ever been a victim and wanted to fight back against bot activity and online fraud, and just so happen to love crypto, well then Verasity is the #1 pick for you. The online advertising industry is valued at a whopping $400 billion, with close to $160 billion worth of ad revenue being viewed by fake accounts. Using their patented proof-of-view technology, Verasity are solving a $160 billion digital advertising problem, with advertising companies losing close to 50% of their revenue on bots due to fake views. Verasity offers a first-of-its-kind solution. The ability to distinguish between real views and fake views not only grants the advertiser 100% of the targeted advertisements, but also adds greater value and validity to any platform that uses this technology. The cost of rescuing $160 billion in advertising would also inadvertently drive up the shared revenue between streaming platforms and content creators, making it a more holistic economy as a whole. With so many streaming platforms such as TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook using this business model, it's easy to see how this technology can be applied. This is the rare occasion when a product solves an issue that has clearly hindered an industry, rendering it logically imperative to the future of streaming. To put it quite simply, it makes absolutely no sense why this just isn't an industry standard for all digital advertising services. Well, that's exactly what the people at Verasity are trying to do. They are currently in discussion with the Interactive Advertisement Bureau to make proof-of-view the industry standard across all platforms. Oh, and did I mention that they already have multiple US and international patents for their technology, meaning that only they can use it? Talk about being ahead of the competition. To add another dimension to their already outstanding project, Verasity offers a streaming platform named Esports Fight Club, in which users can earn VRA tokens by both playing and watching their tournament content. Esports Fight Club also offers custom rewards like in-game credit codes, in-game items, and even physical items which viewers can redeem for their engagement. Partnering with some of the most popular esports titles including CSGO, Dota 2, PUBG and PUBG Mobile, as well as Valorant, to name but a few. Using their proof-of-view technology in partnership with Huya, a streaming platform known as the Twitch of China, Verasity has been able to test their software by using it in real-world applications. As some of you may have heard, along with the recent boom in the NFT market, there has been a slew of people being tricked into buying fake NFTs. The latest online scammer had pretended to be selling a one-of-a-kind Banksy NFT. A collector had been scammed into paying $335,000 in Ethereum for the JPEG, only to later realize that it was a fake and that Banksy had in fact never created NFTs as yet. With a third function of providing security for NFT verification as well, the team at Verasity have just filed for a patent to prevent anyone else from being defrauded ever again. This means that not only the video streaming services, but also the ever-growing NFT market may just need Verasity in the near future. One thing is for certain, the future of Verasity, much like its technology, is looking safe and secure. Something that stands out about Verasity for me are their goals and how swiftly they've laid out a plan and executed it to perfection, with each stride complementing their technology. From developing groundbreaking technology to joining the online gaming industry themselves, the company sure does look like they're on the right path. In my opinion, their utility is second to none and seems like a no-brainer to be integrated into the real world. With a full release of their proof of view technology scheduled to go live in Q4 of this year, also known as November, and the current price of VRA sitting pretty at 0.04 cents to the dollar.
Well, hello, beautiful.
There's only so much time left before this rocket ship takes off and heads to the moon. So what do you think about the future of VRA? And which companies do you feel are best suited to adopt their technology? YouTube? Twitch? Facebook? Are you going to be adding some VRA to your bag? And where do you think the price will end up once their technology inevitably gets adopted? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this and hit that like button to let us know that you enjoy the content we make. As always, my name's Ubaid, signing out for Third World Crypto. Stay safe, stay sound, and I will see you guys on the moon. Peace.